Hey, what's going on, guys? I know this video is not a normal video. This isn't supposed to be like my upload for the week. I'm going to be uploading more videos this week. This is just a video to tell you guys about my gaming channel. I've mentioned it at the end of my videos a few times, but I would really appreciate it if you could all go and subscribe to this channel. At 500 subs, I will be doing a giveaway of Photopea Premium keys. So some of you guys will have Photopea Premium. If you win, just leave down in the comments below some of these videos, check them all out, whatever. And I'm going to pick 3 random people from any of these videos, and they're going to win some Photopea keys as soon as we get to 500 subscribers. And I know you guys can do it because you guys have shown so much support for me, and I just know you guys are capable of subscribing to this channel. And I would really appreciate it because I'm starting to upload more on here, and I really do enjoy making these videos. So if you support me, I'll be able to keep going on both channels. There will be approximately 100 links down in the description below in case you miss one of them. So feel free to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And leave down something in the comments below these videos, and I'll reply to you. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.